I want to speak English good. My brother plays hockey very good. She danced so good. Let's take a step back. What's wrong with these expressions? Hi everybody, I'm Aliona at Cake English, and I'm here to answer your questions. Today's question is, I want to speak English good. What's wrong with this sentence? The simple answer is that the word good is an adjective, and that means it describes a noun. But the word well is an adverb, so it describes the verb, known as the action word of a sentence. Let me explain. We can say things like, you did a good job. He is a good student. She is a good dancer. I bought a good jacket. That's because good is describing a person, place, or thing, like in this sentence. Have a good day. Have a good day. Day is a noun, and we can use good to describe a noun. But we use well, not good, to describe a verb. Since well is an adverb, it describes the action of a sentence. For example, we can say, she speaks English well. My brother plays hockey very well. She danced so well. We have to say, I want to speak English well because well describes the way that we do the action of speaking English. So let's avoid confusion and learn to use good and well correctly and confidently. Repeat after me for some speaking practice. She's reading a good book. She's reading a good book. My friend bought me a good cup of coffee. My friend bought me a good cup of coffee. I have very good parents. I have very good parents. I can't speak Spanish very well. I can't speak Spanish very well. The business meeting went well. The business meeting went well. You play the piano so well. You play the piano so well. Do you understand the difference between good and well? Then let's try out a quiz. She plays the guitar really? That's right, she plays the guitar really well. He lives in a neighborhood. That's right, he lives in a good neighborhood. The singer sings quite... Very good. The singer sings quite well. Good job, everyone. So that's it for today. Remember to download the Cake app for free so you can find more videos just like this one. See you next time. Bye!